Hello there, I'm Teacher Faye and welcome to our math class. Our topic for today is estimation of the product of decimal numbers with reasonable results. If you want to learn more on estimation of decimal numbers, just keep on watching. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and share this video. Step in estimation of the product of decimal numbers. We have two steps to be followed. The first step is to round off each decimal factors to the nearest whole number or highest place value. Second step, get the product of the rounded factors. Let us try this example. Estimate the product of 56.71 times 3.25. So first, we're going to write the decimal numbers in column. Then we will follow the first step, round off the decimal factors to the nearest highest place value. So in 56.71, the highest place value is in the tens place. So if we're going to round off 56.71 to the nearest tens, we can get 60. So in 3.25, the highest place value is in the ones place. So if we're going to round off 3.25 to the nearest ones, we can get 3. Then we will follow the second step, which is get the product of the rounded factors. So we can now multiply 60 times 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. So when we estimate the product of 56.71 times 3.25, the answer is 180. Next example, estimate the product of 11.75 times 210. So again, write the decimals in column, then follow the second step, round off each decimal factors to the greatest or highest decimal value. So since 11.75 has a decimal numbers, we will round off this number to the nearest whole number, and then the nearest whole number is in the ones place. So if we're going to round up 11.75 to the nearest ones, the answer is 12. And then round off 210 to the nearest or highest whole number. The highest whole number is hundreds place. So if we're going to round off 210 to the nearest hundreds, the answer is 200. Then follow the second step, get the product of the rounded factors. So we can now multiply. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Then 0 times 2 is 0. We will put 0 on the Then 0 times 1 is 0. Then we have now 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So we can now get the sum of the rounded factors or the product of the rounded factors. So bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Then bring down 2. So the answer is 2,400. Another example, estimate the product of 0.361 times 0.340. 42. So again, write the decimals in column. Then follow the first step, round off each decimal factor to the highest place value. So 0.361, the highest place value is tens place. So if we're going to round off 0.361 to the nearest tens, the answer is 0.4. And then we have 0.342. The highest place value is in the tens place. And then if we're going to round off 0.342 to the nearest tens, the answer is 0.3. Then again, we can now get the product of the two rounded factors. So we can now multiply 4 times 3 is 12. 2 regroup 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. And then we can now get the sum of the two factors. So bring down 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0, bring down 0. Since that we have two decimal places in our factors, so we will count 2 digits from the right. Okay, so we will put the decimal point between 0 and 1. So the answer is 0.12. See you on our next lesson in mathematics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a nice day.